All right, guys, we've got the rugged nylon band compatible with Apple Watch from the HEHIGHTI store. And they've sent me one, two, three, four, five different watch bands. I'm going to show you all of them. This is the one I like the most. I'm a color guy. This is nice and orange, kind of bright, and I'm an American and I love rocking the American flag. America is a spiritual idea and I won't let it die. Here's my Apple Watch. I've just got a very simple band on there right now. We're going to cut to a POV. I'm going to show you all these different bands and show you how easy they are to interchange. All right, guys. So they gave us five different bands. I just wanted to show them to you up close. These are very nice, super high quality. That's what I like about these. These are definitely durable. So these are better for maybe like rugged, like camping or outdoorsy type people. If you're an American and you love America, I think these are going to be great bands for you. They even have cool sayings on it, like "Don't limit your challenges." Let's see. We've got black with the blue flag on there, which I think is pretty cool. Here's another one that's black on black. And then, so these are my two favorites. The orange, I'm just a color guy, dude, so I love the orange, but I love the black on black. Like that is like a matte black finish. That is really cool. So what I'm going to do now is I just want to show you how easy these are to interchange. So first of all, you know how easy it is to take one of those off. And then in order to put this on, boom, boom, and boom. We're already locked in place. This thing's super durable. I love the American flag. That's not going anywhere. This is going to be great for my workouts, also for going on my hikes. I love that I can even change them out. I'm probably going to wear this orange one too. I love the black and I love the orange. I think these are great bands, especially for the value, and I highly recommend them.